Hello, welcome to Ari's cooking adventure. Here we have a wooden spoon, which you use for mixing, along with a whisk, which is also used for mixing. Here we have a measuring cup, which is used to measure out things in exact amounts. Here we have a mixing bowl. This is used to mix. Over here we have cooking sheets, which we will be placing the brownies on.
The recipe calls for 1 cup of butter, so the ratio of butter sticks to cups of butter is half cup of butter is 1 stick. So we use 2 sticks of butter in order to get 1 full cup of butter. Also, you will need 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hot water, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 eggs. We used egg beaters instead of eggs. The ratio between eggs and egg beaters is 1/4 cups. 1 egg, so we used half cup in order to get 2 eggs, which is what the recipe called for. And that is what you will need.
We've preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to start mixing the ingredients in the big mixing bowl. First we're going to add the butter, and then the white sugar, and then the brown sugar. The sugars that we're adding are important because they're used to create the tenderization of the cookies. Next, we're going to add the eggs and the vanilla and then stir it. Next, we're going to dissolve the baking soda in the hot water and then add it to the mixture. After that, we're going to add salt. You might ask why we dissolve the baking soda in the water as opposed to just adding both of the ingredients into the mixture. The reason for adding the water is because when the water and the flour mix together, they react and create gluten. Without gluten in the cookies, the air is created inside of the dough and it will escape and the cookies will not rise. The salt is used in the dough mixture so that when you put the dough into the oven, the gluten remains as needed and does not get destroyed.
As you can tell, it's really starting to look like brownie mix.
To finish out the mixture, we're going to add flour and chocolate chips and stir until it's smooth. Mixing the ingredients well is a very important step. Even the type of utensil you use to mix impacts the product. It influences the viscosity, dispersion, and air incorporation.
In the oven, the water and baking soda react, which provides CO2. The CO2 helps them rise and also helps create the light texture of brownies instead of them being lumpy. The water also evaporates while the brownies are in the oven. This changes the wet mixture into nice brownies.
Oh! I guess that's why they call it an adventure. We'll see you next time.